Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a busy mom struggling to find the time to build your business and to take care of the family, cooking and cleaning and school drop-offs? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. You want to make sure you stick around to the very end because I have some exciting gifts for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was in this hamster wheel as I was going around and around in circles, living from paycheck to paycheck. I remember having this mom guilt because I was spending more money online trying to make money, right? I felt like I had this expensive hobby, but it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. And last year, I actually came across a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. And what I love about this program is even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. Now, this is why I'm sharing with you 5 simple steps to actually building a successful digital business in 2025. The first thing, if you're going to build a successful digital business, is to have a mindset shift, right? You have to go from being an employee, having an employee mindset, a scarcity mindset of to actually becoming a business owner, right? And to having an abundant mindset, because our mind, the difference between successful people and unsuccessful, one of the core is the mindset. We can have access to all the same tools and resources, but some people are getting results and others aren't. And mindset is a big key to that, right? So it's important for you to work on that, to get that belief in what you're doing and to be able to get that focus on where you're going as well. Now, the second step is for you to discover a niche that's going to help you achieve your goal, because you need a vehicle, you need something that's going to help you achieve your financial goals. Now, make sure that you pick one that's in high demand and that you're absolutely passionate about, because the only way that you're going to be successful is by sharing this every single day, right? Being passionate about it. And so you need to find something that you're both passionate about, but it's in high demand. There's people out there who are looking for what you have to offer. Now, once you have that niche, right, you picked what way you want to focus on, then you have to set realistic goals, okay? Sometimes we get overwhelmed, we get frustrated because we're looking at everything, right? We don't know where to start. But what we need to do is the same way we eat an elephant, we eat an apple, is one bite at a time. We need to take it back to actionable steps that we can do every single day to help us achieve our goal. And then the fourth step is then choose the business model. What way are you going to use? Are you going to do blogging? Are you going to do vlogging, creating videos like this? Are you going to write? Are you going to be an affiliate marketer where you can promote other people's product for a percentage of the commissions? There's different ways that you can go out there as a marketer. Network marketing. What I want to share with you is an opportunity for you to get into what we call the business model called master resale rights, where you can purchase a digital program once and get the rights to resell that program over and over again and get paid 100% commissions without you having to create anything, have any coding, any technical skills. So powerful. And then the last step is that you need to commit to taking daily steps. You need to commit to income producing activities. You need to have a series of tasks that you need to do every single day that are going to bring you closer and closer to achieving your goals and dreams, right? So these are the 5 simple steps that you could do to go from being a busy mom going around and around in circles to actually firing that boss of yours, becoming your own boss and building a sustainable business. Now, if you would like to learn more about digital marketing, I actually have access to a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that you can click the link in the description to claim your free copy. That's going to walk you through exactly what I said to you, share with you how you can actually make money in digital marketing. But before I go, what I want to do is I want to introduce you to the platform, the community that this is a digital marketing bonus site of the community I'm in. So I'm actually on the wins page. So I just want to share with you some wins, some financial wins here. Made 1,208 days after TikTok live, because she learned how to go live on TikTok, and she was able to make that in 8 hours that she posted 21 days ago. And Bethany made 1,800 in less than 54 hours, and she said the day that she made that money, imagine she actually got a massage, and she went to 3 of her kids' school parties, and she shares how she actually that her husband would have to work 2 weeks full time to bring in this kind of money, right? So congratulations, that was just 14 days ago. First sale in the month of March, unbelievable. He made 2 $1,800 sales, and woke up to a sale. And Chole, that was 14 days ago. Proud of myself. New sales, congratulations to me on achieving a remarkable $900 sale. That's Jude, 10 days ago. Congratulations to you. Alan woke up to $900. Congratulations. Let's see. Tiffany, 19 days ago, made 1,800 in 2 weeks. That's incredible. And so on and so forth, right? So these are just different wins that we have. Quincy made 2 sales, 1,000 during his live, right? And so on. So these are where our members share. Arinola 4 days ago made $900 while she was sleeping. Malari made 1,800 in 48 hours, and so on and so forth. And we have a classroom here of this is our bonus site where we have different training. The 90-day run is where our millionaire mentor takes us by the hand and walks us through every day, giving us action steps. This video, the last video, day 43 of 90. And the calendar here is where you get access to live interactive coaching and mentorship. So we're launching a new version of our live interactive program, which is launching at midnight tonight, my time. That's going to be this one here. Yeah. But otherwise, we have, let me see, we have mentoring on a Monday, 7 p.m. tonight. And we have Legacy Builder. So we have different trainings that you could jump onto. We have onboarding calls. If you're stuck in any way, you can get help. Social media training, Q&A. You can ask questions if you're stuck in anything. So this is where you get access to all that, right? So we essentially, we have a community of over 50,000 like-minded entrepreneurs who are there to lift you up, motivate you, keep you inspired, and you get access to live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6- and 7-figure earners who've used this platform to earn 6 and 7 figures. And what else do we get? We get access to all that bonus side. I just showed you one thing, but there's loads. There's of content vault, there's replays of coaching and mentorship, there's mindset. There's so much there that if you are hungry to learn life-changing skills, because this is when you learn digital marketing, you can use the skills to build whatever business that you choose, right? I just choose to use it to promote the same program that is paying me 100% commissions paid instantly and directly to me. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. Best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.